What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver, crude oil. I'm also going to go through US cocoa today as I'm getting lots of messages to do analysis on US cocoa. So starting with natural gas. So let me show you what I've said in my last video so that we can connect the dots from there. Either look for the bullish engulfer, a next candle. A green candle can be a very risky signal, but it can be a signal that price is going to push up. I'm also looking at Owanda across right here. A bullish cross happened here. Now, if this candle turns out to be a 382 candle, that is also one of my buy signal. For now, it is not a 382 candle. We do have a bullish pressure like a 382 candle right here, and we do have a bullish pin bar which is right here. We have a 520 EMA as a support as well that can still push the price higher. So overall, we are still bullish. I'm just looking for buy condition, and once I have my condition, we are good to go long. Perfect. So let me explain you the entry we had, and commodities are running absolutely fine as we predicted yesterday. Almost all of them. Now, starting with natural gas. Now, at this point, as you can see, the price forms a double bottom right here, bullish engulfer right here. We had a break of the neckline, and we have a pullback to the neckline of this pattern. With that, like I mentioned, green candle can be risky entry, but looking at on a daily time frame, a pin bar on a daily time frame, as you can see right here, I was also looking at this bullish pressure. So that was worth a risk. So combining all that, that was this green candle played out nicely, and that nicely pushed up, hitting the level of resistance. And if you look here on NEMEX as well, price broke above the neckline, pulled back, closed back above the neckline with a bullish engulfer, and then pushed back up. Now, let's see what to expect next, starting from Owanda. Now, at this point, the price hit the level of resistance again. It is a level of major resistance. If you look back in the past, this level acted as a major level of resistance and a support in the past. That is why we can possibly see another push down from this level. But it can be broken as well. That is why we need to look for the signal. Either the signal can happen on a daily, with a red candle can form a double top on a daily time frame, or we can have a green small and a bigger red candle that can turns into a big double top pattern on a daily time frame. So that is something on a long-term perspective. And talking about long-term perspective, we have this pin bar on a daily time frame. As you can see, that reacted nicely. We have this inverted hammer or a pin bar, but the opposite that reacted nicely as well. So all we need to see a signal to go short at this point if we have a signal here. Now the zone right here, it is 3.238 goes to 3.355. It is something we are looking at on a higher time frame. Now for my entries on 4 hour. I'm now expecting a good retracement and then a possible push up. So if we have a bearish engulfer here, in that case, that will be my entry. Or if we have a double top here, that will be my entry condition. If no condition, if you have a retracement, a normal retracement above 50 or 20 EMA followed by bullish engulfing candle, I'm gonna go long. So that is all I'll be looking at. Simply look for your sell trades within this area. Buy trades if we have a bullish engulfer after this retracement followed by a pullback entry bullish. For the complete bullish continuation, we must see a break above these highs. Once we have broken above these highs and possibly above the zone as well, in that case, the net gas will start to look at the level of next resistance, which is quite higher, which I'm going to mention in my upcoming videos. For now, just look at this level. As I've been mentioning for a couple of months that we are still bullish long term, we can see this retracement on a smaller time frame, and then the price will steadily continue its journey towards the next level. For now, look for your condition and only take your trades once the condition happens. Coming back here on NEMEX. On NEMEX, exactly the same. On daily, we are looking at this area for the double top. In that case, we'll have a major double top pattern and the price form a red candle, bearish engulfer, 382 candle. In that case, we'll see a good fall and then a push back up. That is something I'm looking at on a daily time frame. On 4 hour, we can still see a pullback above 50 EMA since we have broken above these highs with the pullback followed by bullish engulfer. I'm going to go long. If you have a rejection here from this rejection box right here, as you can see these numbers in blue, followed by bearish engulfer, strong bearish engulfer or inverted hammer, the exact entry we had on copper that was mentioned yesterday in my live session. If we have exact same entry pattern on the rejection box and silver as well, in that case we'll have a sell signal from this rejection box. For now, sell from here with condition and buy above 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfing pattern. So keep an eye and look for your conditions accordingly. Finally, we have capital.com right here. So at this point, capital.com is also in a same condition. We are soon getting a bullish cross, 20 EMA crossing, and then we have a bullish engulfer. If we have that above 50 EMA, we're going to go long till we are in the next level of resistance right up there. As you can see these numbers in blue, but preferably I want to see these little box right here for the price to get to and then push down. On capital.com, the zone is quite higher. On the daily time frame, my zone looks something like this for the double top pattern. On 4 hour, that will be a bit smaller. So keep an eye. For now, just look for buy trades with a pullback till we are here and look for your sell condition. If you have a condition in any of the platform I've mentioned, we are good to take over trades. If you have a condition here, we'll get a possible retracements on the other platform as well, and that's another buy opportunity to take another long trade. But conditions are very important. Once we have a conditions, we are good to go for our trades. Without condition, we are just gambling. Remember that. Next up, we have gold. Like I mentioned yesterday, that this level is not the strongest level, and we can see a possible break of this level. And that has happened, and we have mentioned that price is going to push up to this level. That has also happened. Price nicely pushed up. For now, I don't need this level anymore. So we need to make the charts clear. Accumulation zone. If you are in my live session from the day one, we took some entries like this as well, where we had a break of accumulation and we take our trade. So that has happened here as well. Very aggressive entry, the break of accumulation, and that also nicely pushed up. Now remove that as well, as we are now broken above. For now, simply just buy trades for gold, no sell trades with a pullback. Expect a good retracement. Could be above 50 EMA, which is good if we have that, followed by bullish engulfer, and we're going to go long from here. So keep an eye, only buy trades, but wait for the pullback. Don't enter right here, even though we are bullish, but I'll still wait for the pullback entry, bullish. That is all I'll be looking at. Not selling until we are right at this level here. Now remember, next month when Trump's take over, I'm expecting a very good fall out of gold. So before that, we can see a possible push up and continuation till we have Trump in the power. So keep an eye and look for these levels here. We can only look for the buy trades for gold with a pullback followed by bullish engulfing pattern. Next up, we have silver. Nicely pushed down out of double top pattern. Clearly mentioned yesterday, and let me show you the clip from a last video so that we can connect the dots from there. And before that, you see nice double top. Nice double top. You see the conditions forms so accurately. Double top, bearish engulfer, nice fall. Double top, bearish engulfer, 1 ATR, more than 1 ATR has been hit. Double top, bearish engulfer, the ATR of this candle is 30 cents all the way from here. That is more than 30 cents, 40 cents has been pushed up. In this type of condition, I normally enter a few pips above. With that also hit your target. So let's see the clip from our last video. We're still inside the level of resistance, not a very strong resistance at this point, but we are in the level of resistance, looking at the level that has been reacted nicely in the past. Looking at this level of resistance, we can just expect a pullback looking at this 382 bearish candle. 19. Now for the double tops, we need to mark a rejection zone like this. Keep the zone there from the high of the wick till the body of this candle. We have a strong rejection here, exactly like this. Pin bar or a bearish engulfer, I'll go short term only. Stop loss A, take profit, I'll go 1 to 1 initially or 1 ATI initially. Possible sell signal if we have a rejection here. Perfect. So as you can see, the price nicely formed the double top and then pushed back down. For us to buy, either I want to see a pullback to 50 EMA and a bullish engulfer above 50 EMA. That is all I want to look for the buy condition. My next buy trade will happen either above 50 EMA or once we are broken above this little accumulation right here, this high. Once we're broken above this high, I'm going to start to look for my buy trades for silver. So keep an eye, break above will confirm the trend towards the upside and possible hit of the next level of resistance, which I'm going to mention in my upcoming videos. For now, keep an eye and look for these conditions I've just mentioned. Next up, we have crude oil. Nicely pushing up out of the zone right here, and now we're getting a possible bullish cross as well. Now at this point, just a pullback, bullish engulfer, that is all I'll be looking at, and keep on taking longs till the price get to the next level of major resistance, which is right up there. I've just readjusted the zone in case you want to mark these zones in the chart. 71.77 goes to 73.11 is my next level of resistance right here if you want to mark these zones on your chart. So once the price hit this level, look for your buy, sell trades. Bearish engulfers or double top is something I'll be looking at. So keep an eye, only buy trades for now till we are here, sell trade from this area. Lastly, we have US cocoa. Now, at this point, we are in a nice uptrend out of US cocoa, nice gap in EMAs, nice uptrend. Now we are in an oversold, overbought situation as well. Every time the price gets into the overbought situation, we get a correction, then a bullish engulfer, and then the continuation towards the upside. So expect the same price action right here as well. Overbought, expect a correction, could be above 50 EMA if we have a condition like bullish engulfer. Above 50 EMA, doesn't matter if the price breaks below the zone, but if we are above 50 EMA, if the price forms a bullish engulfer, I'm gonna go long from here. So I'm only selling if the price breaks below 50 EMA, dramatically fall, or if the prices pushes up to this level, which is very likely 11,231 goes to 11,659 is an area from where I want to look for my sell trades only. Keep an eye, just buy trades with a pullback followed by bullish engulfing pattern. This zone can also react nicely if you have a bullish engulf or double bottom in this zone. That will also one of my buy conditions. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.